And our given problem is the area of a square is increasing at the rate of 3.2 meters squared per minute. How fast is the side of the square increasing when the area is 9 meter? So to get the answer of this question is we have this formula po, yung formula ng square, which is a is equal to x squared. So pag dinerive po natin siya using the power rule of differentiation is magiging equal to siya sa 2x. So we have the formula. Gagather na po natin yung data, which is this one. So as you can see sa our ating question, our 3.2 meters squared per minute is our dA over dt, and our a is equal to 9, which is 9 meter, and our missing problem is dx over dt. So to find the missing value of x, we have a is equal to 9, magiging siya, x is equal to square root of 9, which is 3. Now we have the value of x, we substitute the values sa ating equation, which is ito yung ating equation. So pag sinubstitute natin yung value sa ating equation is magiging ganito siya, 3.2 is equal to 2 times 3 dx over dt. So pag ginumpit natin siya, magiging ganito siya, 3.2 over 6 is equal to 6 over 6. Kaya na ganyan din derive tas over 6. So magiging ito yung sagot natin. dx over dt is equal to 0.533 meters per minute. So therefore, when the area of the square is 9 meters squared, the side of the square is increasing at the rate of approximately 0.33 meters per minute.